I'll be like, hey, babe. That would be funny. She'd be like, dude, who's this? I'd be like, hey, Moose. Obviously, that's a pet name.
Oh, you're not going to see us there.
Yeah, why do you call her Moose?
It's not very romantic.
Because she looks like one? Oh, I shouldn't be filming these things.
When you've been together long enough, you don't gotta hear romantic.
You could.
That's right.
Yeah, but standing on a chair.
Whoa! Attack of the foot? That's a big foot.
You want to talk to the foot?
So Ben is by Caesars, and I told him to come back.
He's by Caesars. What's he doing at Caesars?
John can't see. Sit down. John can't see.
Is he playing the slot machines?
Move over, John. I can't see the sky.
Her like a big
I'm a giant.
I know.
Started the boom boom.
This guy from the helicopters. Why was Here we go again, sir.
Shut the lights off.
Sit down. Sit down. I know. Get out of the way.
Did you see that?
No. You're facing the wrong way.
It worked!
Yeah, Canada!
Canada's first.
That's right, because Canada rocks. Observe. The dominant country's flag is from Observe.
Oh, Canada. There's a happy Canadian.
Yay!
Oh, wrong song.
Wrong song, Dan. Yep, wrong song. The other one.
Too much time in the wrong country. Hey, Ken, you don't like Let's get back to
Whoa, Dan, are you okay? Are you okay? Yes.
No, not okay.
John, sit down.
Are we going to pull the U.S.
Are you happy, Jenny?
Yes! You have no idea how excited I am.
There's the flag of Canada.
Oh, they're going for a round two.
I don't think
They're rubbing it in that our dollar's almost higher than theirs. 98 cents. 98 cents.
Okay, I don't want to look at
Family reunion.
you. Okay, flag. Flying. You have to pretend to be excited about this, John.
I was excited. I was the first one that screamed. Hello.
Okay.
She wasn't excited.
Are you kidding me? I've been excited about this all day. I was dancing through the
Border crossing is bright.
Oh, look, there's another flag. I don't recognize this flag. What is this?
That is the flag of the United States of Mexico.
Mexico, eh?
It's flowing back to front. That's actually a big slight. Big, like, army helicopter. See, by the bomb's early light.
Oh.
At the rocket fumes last gleaming.
I bet you're just not watching standing tomorrow.
Broad bombs and bright fireworks through the perilous table wars. Game over.
Game over.
I don't speak in English.
Are you excited about the American flag, John?
Nah. Yeah.
These fireworks, so...
That's right.
Yeah, these are the Target fireworks.
U.S. contribution to fireworks, $5 million. Canadian contribution to fireworks, $2.5.
2.5.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we...
Split the cost evenly.
When is the sky going to explode? I am waiting.
You're going to take a film of the sky exploding?
You're not recording this.
Oh, yes, I am. Every moment, John.
Singing about his amour.
No. Somber down there.
Dan. What? Is your phone working yet?
No, it just broke it. Don't want to call anybody.
Wow, there's like
Maybe need new phone.
it's like a puppet show happening.
No, need iPhone.
Need a big iPhone.
No problem.
No, they're less money now, and they charge more for the contract, so you're actually spending more in the long run.
And they make more money.